मन की बात। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी भारत की जनता से साझा करेंगे अपने मन की बात रविवार 28 जुलाई सुबह 11 बजे। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के प्रसारण के तुरंत बाद मन की बात का क्षेत्रीय भाषाओं में अनुवाद आकाशवाणी और दूरदर्शन के संबद्ध प्रादेशिक केंद्रों से किया जाएगा। मन की बात के क्षेत्रीय भाषाओं में अनुवाद का पुनः प्रसारण रात 8 बजे आकाशवाणी के सभी प्रादेशिक केंद्रों से किया जाएगा और दूरदर्शन के सभी प्रादेशिक केंद्रों से पुनः प्रसारण रात 10 बजे किया जाएगा। तो याद रखें, रविवार 28 जुलाई सुबह 11 बजे मन की बात।
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. And here are today's headlines. Karnataka BJP is awaiting instruction from party parliamentary board after JDS government lost trust vote. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh cast off third-party mediation on Kashmir issue. EdImpact project Surya Kiran launched in Shillong in collaboration with Don Bosco Technical School. And West Janta Hills District Legal Service Authority organized an awareness program on poverty alleviation scheme cum health mela. The news in detail. Karnataka BJP is awaiting instruction from party parliamentary board to initiate government formation in the state. BJP MLA Madhuswamy informed that a state legislative party meeting will be fixed only after clearance from the national leaders, and then only the legislative party leader chosen by them will approach the governor to stake claim to form the government. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today said there is no question of third-party mediation on Kashmir issue as it is against the Shimla Agreement. Giving a statement in the Lok Sabha during 0 hour, Singh said External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar has already clarified in the House that the Kashmir issue did not figure during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meet with US President Donald Trump in Osaka last month.
मंत्री श्री जयशंकर प्रसाद जी ने स्टेटमेंट देते समय यह पूरी तरह से अध्यक्ष महोदय स्पष्ट कर दिया, कहा कि कश्मीर के मुद्दे पर राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के साथ कोई बातचीत नहीं हुई है। मैं समझता हूं कि इससे ऑथेंटिक स्टेटमेंट और किसी दूसरे का नहीं हो सकता।
EdImpact is an educational technology company registered in USE and India. The company launched the project Surya Kiran under the guidance of its founder, director Sanwal Srivastava in collaboration with the Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong today. The project aims to provide computer education to rural schools through a mobile solar computer lab, which is a vehicle fitted with solar laptops maintained by 2 trained professionals. The trained professionals will go to remote villages and impart training on computer basics, internet, email, cybersecurity, productivity programs and cashless transactions. It is the first of its kind. These vehicles will also be used to impart Google Apps training to teachers in schools where such facility doesn't exist. The project was officially launched in the presence of C.P. Gotmare, IAS, Secretary Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and Father Cyril Turkey, Principal of Don Bosco Technical School.
So this is a Surya Kiran project. So I'm just going to teach you some basics.
This project is actually for rural schools who do not have opportunities to get computer education, so that the students from those rural schools can be reached by this mobile computer aided solar aided vehicle, and then they can go there. There are 2 teachers who will be teaching them, and then they will these children will acquire. So they will be taken in small numbers, but in a period of maybe 3 months, the whole school will be completed. Then they will be moving to the next school or next village in order to impart the same computer education to them.
The West Jaintia District Legal Service Authority, in collaboration with the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, organized an awareness program on poverty alleviation scheme Come Health Mela at Luxi village on the theme Universal Health Coverage. The objective of the program is to create awareness and to educate the public at large about the poverty alleviation scheme available in the district for the benefit of all. Dr. K.C. Ajar, District Medical Health Officer, said the Health Mela is conducted to provide healthcare facilities to around 20 surrounding villages of this area and urged them to take advantage of this free opportunity available. Medical specialists from the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer from Jawai Civil Hospital conducted free medical checkup and distributed free medicines. Northeast Strong Man, Strong Woman competition was organized by the Meghalaya Strongman and Amateur Power Sports Association at 5th Ground Polo Ground, Shillong. More than 52 strongman, strong women participated in the event. The 7 gold medals were awarded with cash prize sponsored by Protein Planet. The sport is a platform for any strongman, strong woman in any fields to come forward to display their strength, as this sport doesn't require a well-toned body like bodybuilding or any other sports of martial arts background. The sport is adjudged purely on strength of the athlete.
To Freddy to Mizoram.
Circle level pension Adalat for Northeast Circle will be held in the office of the Chief Postmaster General, Northeast Circle, Shillong on 23rd August. The grievances and complaints should reach the office of the Chief Postmaster General within 2nd August. The complainants may send their grievances in plain paper by speed post to the Accounts Officer, Office of the Chief Postmaster General. And now a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 24.7 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature recorded was 17 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 74%, while in the evening it rose to 95%. 9.5 millimeter rainfall was recorded. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy sky. Rain and thunder shower is likely to occur. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Karnataka BJP is awaiting instruction from party parliamentary board after JDS government lost trust vote. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh cast off third-party mediation on Kashmir issue. Ed Impact Project Surya Kiran launched in Shillong in collaboration with Don Bosco Technical School. And West Jaintia District Legal Service Authority organized an awareness program on poverty alleviation scheme Come Health Mela. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do join us tomorrow at the same time. Good night.